Click on the link below to get price. A handle-operated single-needle chain stitch embroidery machine, designed as a replacement for vintage Cornely models, is a remarkable fusion of nostalgia and practicality. This machine embodies the charm of traditional embroidery while integrating user-friendly features that appeal to modern crafters. One of its standout features is the handle-operated design, which offers exceptional control during stitching. Users can easily adjust the speed and pressure, allowing for intricate designs to be executed with precision. The machine's single needle system is perfect for creating classic chain stitch patterns, a technique that lends itself beautifully to both decorative and functional applications. The smooth operation of the needle ensures consistent stitching, which is essential for achieving professional-looking results. The machine is lightweight, making it highly portable for those who enjoy stitching on the go or at workshops. Its compact size is also a bonus for crafters with limited workspace. The vintage aesthetics of the machine add a unique character, appealing to those who appreciate classic designs. Setting up the handle-operated single-needle chain stitch embroidery machine is straightforward. The instruction manual is clear and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. The threading process is simple, and the machine features a reliable tension system that helps in maintaining the quality of the stitches throughout various fabric types. However, potential users should be aware that the machine requires a bit of practice to master fully. The learning curve may be steep for those unfamiliar with chain stitching techniques, but the results are undoubtedly worth the effort. In conclusion, the handle-operated single-needle chain stitch embroidery machine is an excellent investment for embroidery enthusiasts and professionals alike. It combines vintage charm with modern usability, making it a versatile addition to any crafting toolkit. Whether for crafting garments, home decor, or personalized gifts, this machine delivers quality and artistry in every stitch.